Do I dare open one more drawer while we're here? Ugh, look at that. Okay, so this is a food storage container. Doesn't even belong in this drawer. Belongs in this drawer. So, well, now that this drawer is tidied up, I can just add those there, slide this over, put these here. Simple. Okay, that was pretty easy. But what am I going to do about this drawer? I mean, there's so many things, and you can see what's in the bottom here is one of those organizers that doesn't really fit anything, obviously, right? So I'm going to get this emptied out and we'll see what we can do about it. Weird knife, doesn't even belong in there. Yeah, I don't even know. Some of this stuff. So this is sort of the chronic problem, right? These things just, they don't really fit anything and they get really dirty. And you have to take the whole thing out to clean it. So let's try to do something without this at all. Okay. Now. Okay, so I filled in all the boxes that I think I need. I'm going to start putting everything back in. So I'm going to start with things. This is going all the way in the back. I rarely use it. I don't even know if I need to keep it, but there it is, right? Mortar and pestles going there. And we've got these, a variety of graters, right? Again, do I need all of them? I don't know, but that one will stand up nice and neatly right there. Let's see, what do we have here? Different juicers. So many things. But now I can see everything and I can actually get to all the different things and I know what's where. That makes it really simple. This grater, I actually took the pieces of it apart. So I can just put it all in this one little container right here. It's going to fit in there really nicely. And then chopper goes here. Tuck right in there. The different blades for the chopper. And this is the little cleaning tool for that as well. And then I've got the 3 little D boxes here. And those, I just put them together, right? So they're not going to slide around. But these things that I rarely use, but getting them all vertical makes a huge difference in just being able to find them and access them when you need them. So we've got, let's see, what else needs to go in here? We've got this grater. No, I put these in the wrong place. This grater goes in this box. And it can go vertically now. And then that one can tuck right in there. So I've got pretty much everything in there. I actually think that these are going to go in here where they can kind of stand up as well. Easy access. And then in with the pastry bags. And look at that. It's done. Big difference. Easy access to everything. I can see everything. There were a few things in there, some spatulas and stuff that didn't actually belong in there, so those have been moved to the correct place, but yeah, that's it. Pretty simple.